there is a doctor supervising his medical plan. Earlier this morning, I talked to the doctor, and then I was asking if she can explain to me what they are doing. But there's a doctor-patient confidentiality about that, so I just asked her just take care of him, and she said that she's doing that, and her visits are frequent with with President Duterte because of his age, and she understands that he has medical conditions that need to be monitored. That's the word.
Pero yung mga medicines po niya sa Pilipinas, naiinom naman po niya dito?
Yung tanong ng doktor sa Pilipinas, kasi meron siyang mga doktor doon sa Pilipinas, may medisina, pinadala natin dito yon, binigay natin doon sa loob. Yun yung gusto makuha ng doktor sa Pilipinas. Pero nagsabi yung doktor dito, sabi niya, hindi niya maibigay yan. But rest assured, sabi niya, I am a professional, I am a medical doctor. My job is to take care of the patient.
Hindi po ba kayo worried doon, VP?
Well, of course, worried tayo, diba? But we just have to trust them that they are professionals, no? At alam nila kung anong ginagawa nila. At nandoon naman na lahat ng records, no? Na-submit natin sa kanila kung ano yung mga ginawa ng mga lab tests, ano yung mga diagnosis ng mga doctors noon. So at least nakikita niya yung history, medical history ni Pangulong Duterte, and nakikita niya siguro ngayon kung ano yung mga nararamdaman, kung meron man, at makadecide siya kung anong mga gamot, kung kailangan man. But I understand from the lawyers, unlike daw sa Pilipinas at sa Amerika na mahilig magbigay ng gamot ang doktor, dito daw sa Netherlands, hindi daw ganyan yung doktor. Yes, very very conservative sila sa gamot. And I think siguro maganda din yon, no? Dahil nakita ko isang beses din yung doctor na kasama niya si Pangulong Duterte. Nung nag-request ako ng wheelchair, nagsabi yung nurse na ay hindi pwede kasi kailangan niya maglakad. And sabi ng doctor, you need to use your muscles. So ganun sila dito. Hindi tulad sa atin, no, na parang pag masakit ang ulo, diretso tayo inom ng paracetamol. So hindi ganyan dito. So we just have to trust their healthcare programs and then their professionalism.